Thank you for playing with Banner Slow Air. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the stairs in Cape Town, South Africa. It's very late today. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, Riva?
You wouldn't fucking hurry up with your assignment.
Okay, we had an assignment
Sorry,
to do.
can I say that again now, person?
It's a PG channel. What are you cursing for? We are going to the waterfront because someone doesn't like us and we're finding it hard to dig up money. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
And we want...
Tried about 7 ATMs and not one of them worked.
Not one of them. But we don't mind going to the waterfront because it is gorgeous. Yeah, I did a vlog yesterday after I said I would because we had an assignment to do. And it's a day later and I'm still doing it.
I'm finished.
Viva's done. It is hot today in Cape Town. What are we on? 27 degrees?
Yeah.
27. We got up yesterday, went out and started the assignment on the balcony. Good morning, people.
It's the afternoon, Jack.
Good afternoon, people. They were talking to a nice man called Sydney, Canon 80.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So what kind of stuff do you do? All process is just, you need to kind of nearly do it all in the one go. So we were talking all about the creative processes of filming. And Quiva was like, what are you on about? Welcome to the waterfront, people. Welcome to Table Mountain. Well, there's a view of Table Mountain. What are we saying, Quiva? Take it with a mountain bike, you would.
What?
Take it with a mountain bike.
Take what?
Take the fucking mountain! Jesus Christ, what are we talking about? Welcome to the watershed. If this doesn't work, we're going to die in this country. In South Africa, you have to check the balance before you can take anything out. So it takes about a day and a half to take out money. Give me that paper!
Let's get some food.
The buffalo. This is like an exact replica of like the vlog 2 days ago. How have they not died of the heat? Oh, she's out.
How are you?
How's it going? We are looking for an isolated location to fly the drone. Quiva! Wave to the viewers! Quiva, that was shite! It's the hottest 1st of February, March that I've ever seen. This has turned out to be an exact replica of Monday's vlog. Like, we're travelling the exact same route. It's a new nearly... Try again! It's a new nearly... I'm speaking to the viewers! To do nearly the exact same thing. We go on Sea Point. Standard marine biology beach trip. Isn't that right?
That's right.
That's right. I got bit yesterday. Can you see the bite? See that? I think it's a mosquito bite. Either that or it was Quiva. So I think I'm going to die.
What are you doing, Jack?
Would you buy a watch? You would. Capitola watches. Shut up! Jack the Hat.
What are we doing?
We're going to find Mr. Mavic. And we're going to ignore the battery warning I got 2 days ago, and we're going to ignore the wind, and we're going to ignore the helicopters flying around. There's a security woman up there as well. It's decided to update. Kayaker and everything. Kayaker and everything. Look, it's just. See, do you want to try zoom max like that?
How did you do?
Let's go on, yeah, twist it.
This one?
Yeah, it's like trying to grab it.
Oh, there we go.
Battery must be in there. Compass complete. Thank you for playing with Banner Slow Air.
Are you, Jack?
Not a bad way to finish a day.
Not bad at all.
That started off dreadful. Actually, it's going to finish dreadful because I'm still not finished this assignment.
I am.
Go for Alan. Come on, we chase her. Come on. Come on, come on. Okay, people, I could have cut this section out of Monday's vlog, put it in because it's the exact same. Where are we on the way back to?
Long Street.
Long Street, which is the longest street in Cape Town. I don't know for that fact. It's fucking ages to go up there. I love Africans, how they're so artsy. It's the word, artsy. They're very musically and... Will you give me a word?
I don't know what you're trying to say.
Songly. They like to dance and sing. We made it back. Okay guys, that is a wrap for today. I'm sorry I didn't vlog yesterday when I said I did. If I do that again... What was I gonna say? Where are we going tomorrow, Quita?
We're going to the aquarium.
Why are you so small in every shot?
Oh, and I'm sitting down.
Okay, where are we going tomorrow?
The aquarium.
Going to the aquarium. As marine biologists, we know lads, and we get to go to the aquarium for no money. So that'll be exciting because we'll be unloading all our knowledge.
Where else are we going, Jack?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Is the aquarium.
What?
The beach, is that what it's called? Are we going there?
No. Are we going there?
No, are we?
We have to have a chat in the morning.
It's long fall.
In the D. I'll ring your mother now in a minute to cup. Okay peeps, much love, keep the faith. See you tomorrow.